Well guys, the company AGM bravely takes on the market of robust smartphones. They have some of the best models, and one of the newest and worth of your attention is certainly the new AGM H5 Pro, the successor of the H5 that we reviewed recently. He is stronger and faster, so let's see. So let's start with unboxing. As we can see, we have one nicely eco-design box in which is our AGM H5 Pro. Let's look now at what's inside the box. There is our phone, which we will put aside for now. We here have this envelope in which we find paperwork such as the quick guide. There are also some cute AGM stickers. On the back side up here we find the SIM pin. Next, let's see what else we have in the box. We have USB Type-C cable. Here are also spare rubber doors for the ports in the mobile phone if you accidentally lose them. And also we have a 80 watts charger itself. Well, that was the contents of this box, so let's move on the smartphone itself. It seems to me that the design of the AGM H5 Pro is exactly the same as the non-Pro model, and that the improvements come from the inside: a better processor, more working memory, even better adjust cameras. What to say about design? The AGM H5 is truly a man's smartphone with a design without any doubt. With its robust and impressive rear camera arrangement design and a large waterproof speaker between them, a great design that we will not see anywhere else. It features a pleasantly rounded 6.52 inches screen on the front with relatively thin bezels on the sides, and at the bottom there is a very narrow chin, in addition to the dot drop notch from the top that contains a 20 megapixel camera with the face unlock options. On the back, a high quality synthetic rubber layer gives the appearance of solid and durable. What will catch your attention is these amazing looking triple infrared night vision cameras that are located between a powerful 109 decibel speaker that is surrounded by LED RGB ring lighting. Below we can see the classically placed fingerprint sensor, and here below we find the connections for the dock station charger, which is sold separately. As for the ports, the phone comes with USB Type-C port from the bottom, protected by a rubber cover, while there is a 3.5mm headphone jack right here next to it. The buttons are located as usual. On this side we have the volume button, and below it is the power button. The dual SIM with the memory slot is on opposite side, and below it we have this metallized orange button. It is customizable shortcut button that can be programmed to 6 different functions: shortcut or quickly start any app you preset. The AGM H5 Pro is covered by high quality synthetic rubber and rated by IPA68, IPA69K and MIL-STD 810G military standard, which means it is dust resistant, scratch resistant, shock and drop resistant, and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. As we already said, that from the front we have IPS HD Plus screen with a front 20 megapixel Sony camera with its big 6.52 inches HD Plus display with a good resolution of 1600 and 720 pixels and a brightness of 450 nits. You get sharp colors and wide viewing angles, which are more than great for consuming all visual content of this phone. In short, with the H5 Pro you will get the best value for your pay. A large and high quality screen suitable for all media consumption, whatever you are browsing social media, watching YouTube videos or playing some games. One of the main points of the AGM H5 Pro is the cameras. In this case, that seems much better to me than the one on the No Pro model. In terms of the specifications, there are nothing to worry about, but the last word remains in actual performance. The cameras are very good. So at the front you will get an excellent 20 megapixel selfie camera with a Sony IMX376 sensor and a 6-piece lens, while on the back there is a triple camera 48 megapixel made with a Samsung sensor, 20 megapixel wide angle Sony IMX350 night vision, and a 2 megapixel macro, and there is also flashlight. Now let's see what the kind of photos we managed to take with this smartphone now in the continuation of this video. After the set of these photos, we move on to the performance of the phone. AGM H5 Pro model offers very good performance. As I said earlier, this is a strengthened Pro model unlike the previous AGM H5. In all the basic and entertainment use, such as browsing the web, watching videos on YouTube, using social media applications, playing games, or everything work really well and smoothly with facing any problems. AGM H5 Pro can boast of very interesting features. To begin with, let's mention the very fast MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core chipset, and users have to their disposal a large 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. The processor offers a really good performance and it's fast enough to give a hassle-free experience when doing daily tasks like gaming, watching videos, browsing, etc. The performance was really good, even in more demanding games. The MediaTek Helio G85 Mali G52 GPU runs on the max frequency of 2 GHz, providing blistering performance for mobile gaming. This chipset is considered to be best for gaming purposes, so if you play a lot of games, take this smartphone into your shortlist. All of the applications are run very quickly and thanks to the 128GB storage space. It will be suitable for installing any applications you need with the ability to expand by microSD card. and for multitasking, browsing between applications was smoothly because equipped with a large 8GB of RAM, which is more than enough for most of tasks that you have do with this smartphone, such as keeping many applications or large games running in the background. In short, for multitasking, this smartphone will give you a really good experience. One of the standard features of the AGM H5 Pro is that it comes with a stock Android 12 OS, which brings a better user experience and contains most of the features that comes with the system, the most important of which is the presence of all Google services, making this smartphone experience smoother and more personalized. Moving on, the second most important feature on the back of the case is the massive 3.5 waterproof speaker, the first of its kind to hit 109 decibels with RGB ring light around it. The Bluetooth 5.0, some basic sensor for smartphone including a gyroscope, accelerometers and even electronic compass. Also it has NFC, so you can make mobile payments with support for Google Pay. The phone has a built-in large 7000 mAh battery that can last up to 4 days of active use in a single charge. It most takes about 3 hours to fully charge with the 80W charger, which is an impressive performance of this large battery. There is also the ability to quickly recharge a smartphone using a special 10W docking station, which you can buy separately. If you ask me if the AGM H5 Pro smartphone is worth buying, my answer is definitely yes. I think H5 Pro is one of the best budget smartphones in 2022 with an impressive design and decent specifications in terms of the screen, cameras, performance and a good battery life. Let's not forget the world's loudest mobile water resistant speaker, and its volume can reach 109 decibels. I can conclude that the new H5 Pro can boast of very interesting specifications. This really cool smartphone is currently available on the AliExpress store and official AGM website for a very good price. So don't miss out of the great deals. Maybe now is the chance to get such an impressive rugged smartphone. The official links are below this video, be sure to click on them. That will be all for now, see you soon with new video, bye.